Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit the Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!